Remember and note, use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Risking more than you can afford to lose. The biggest mistake you can make is to risk more money than you can afford to lose. Take a look at the amount you feel comfortable with. It is a very risky business, so control yourself and your emotions during investment in any website. Investment websites are used. Be careful. If you don't care, then you will lose your all money. Always do your own research before investing on any website. Okay? Always do your own research before exchanging or swapping money. Buy and sell bitcoins and trading. But at all times, ensure you are talking to the right person. Use at your own risk. This is just my own advice. Okay, before starting our topic, okay, first you will to register your account using this my Nominex exchange referral link. Okay, you will find into the description of this video this referral link. Okay, and also you will register your account using this my Binance exchange referral link, so you will get team bonus and you will get 10% bonus and transaction fee discount. Okay, when you will register Binance, and when you will register Nominex exchange, you will get automatically team bonus and added into my team, and 45% bonus, direct bonus, binary bonus, team reward bonus. There are multiple bonuses in this exchange. Okay, just click here. After clicking, and it will open. Okay, and type your email here. Okay, choose password, and this is my referral code. Okay, 85384. You can also type here manually or click you. Use this referral code to register your account. And second one is Binance. Okay, it's also beneficial for withdrawals, cash outs, transactions. Okay, okay, after clicking here, and it will open in this way, and this is my referral code. As you will see here, it's automatic filled here, and here is typing. That's what your commission kickback rate is 10%. Okay, you will get 10% bonus. Okay, both referral links you will find into the description of this video. Today I am showing you how to send NMX Nominex exchange tokens into this here Nominex exchange. See how to do. Okay, first I am clicking here extensions onto the Chrome. After clicking here, click here Metamask and see your NMX balance Nominex. Okay, and balance is showing also here. Okay, here is only showing BNB balance, but I am adding Nominex exchange token Here click here liquidity pools. Okay, after clicking here my liquidity pools, then copy NMX address from here. Click here. Okay, this address you will find onto CoinMarketCap. Okay, you can also this contact address copy and paste onto here. Metamask, add token, paste. Okay, as you will see here, automatically added NMX symbol. Okay, token decimal. Click here to next. Click here to next. Okay, now it will showing here. Before it's not showing NMX balance. Now it's showing. Okay, now just click here and click send. Paste NMX wallet address here. Okay, see how to do this. Okay, I am clicking here main account. After clicking here main account, as you will see here, your NMX is here. Just click here NMX deposit. Okay, NMX BEP20 BSC network. Okay, as you will see here, this network address supported NMX. Just click here, copy this wallet address. Okay, after copying, again click here Metamask. After clicking here Metamask, click here to NMX, click here to send and paste that address here. Okay, click here to maximum, click here to next in this way. Okay, from Metamask to Nominex exchange, click here to next. Okay, again click here to confirm it. Okay, send pending NMX. Okay, it's processing. Now check your main account balance. As you will see here, processing 2.13 NMX. You will receive 2.13 NMX into your main wallet balance. Click here to main wallet. Okay, it's processing. Refresh this page. As you will see here, you have received, before my NMX token balance is 0, no, 2.14 NMX I have received. Okay, I hope you will understand how to deposit NMX token from Metamask into Nominex exchange in this way. Thanks.